Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best wax roll-on kit is probably one of the most convenient and effective methods for hair removal available today, offering a smooth, long-lasting result from the comfort of your own home. But with so many different kits on the market, choosing the right one can be tricky. This video will guide you through the process of selecting the perfect wax roll-on kit based on your specific needs and preferences, ensuring you achieve salon-quality results without the salon price tag. Number 5. Roll-on Wax Kit. This complete kit is perfect for home waxing. It's simple to use, spreads wax evenly, and makes hair removal easier than ever before. The efficient wax roller makes waxing a breeze. It's easy to roll on and peel off, removing hair from the root. Designed for everyone, it's ideal for all body areas. It removes hair from the root, giving you smooth skin for up to 6 weeks. Our natural wax blend is gentle on your skin. It provides a smooth, irritation-free waxing experience, even for sensitive skin. This elegantly packaged kit makes a thoughtful gift for any occasion. It's perfect for beginners and DIY beauty enthusiasts. What we like? This complete kit has everything you need to get started with waxing at home. It's incredibly simple to use, even for beginners, making hair removal quick and easy. If you're looking for a convenient and effective way to achieve smooth skin for up to 6 weeks, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. What's included? -50 wax strips, -2 wax cartridges. I got rose and honey. After wax spray, wax warmer. Instructions. The machine works well. I'm not that good at waxing. It's my first time doing it. Yes, I got some irritated parts, but I'm sure it's because I didn't pull the strip well. I recommend buying it. It's at a good price and it's a good way to start with roll-on wax. I like the ease of this product. It was easy and I was never burned. The after spray is very soothing and is oil-based, which helps moisturize the skin. Number 4. Roll-on Wax Warmer Kit. Experience the convenience of at-home waxing with our new kit. It's designed for quick and easy hair removal, saving you time and money. This kit boasts a 40W high-power warmer that melts wax in just 15 to 20 minutes. Enjoy a fast and efficient waxing experience. Made with natural honey and lavender wax, it's gentle on your skin. It effectively removes hair while minimizing redness and irritation. Everything you need is included: warmer, wax, oil wipes, and strips. It's perfect for all your waxing needs. Get smooth, radiant skin that lasts for up to 4 weeks. Say goodbye to unwanted hair and hello to confidence. Its compact and lightweight design makes it perfect for travel or use anywhere. Enjoy salon-quality waxing at home or on the go. What we like? This kit boasts a high-power warmer that melts wax quickly, saving you valuable time. The natural wax is gentle on the skin, reducing irritation. If you need a portable and efficient solution for waxing on the go, this is the one for you. What people say. What I did not expect was to be obsessed with how easy this is to use and how quickly I was able to cover large areas. This thing is honestly a game changer for me. I managed to spend less than 10 minutes per leg to wax them both completely. It is actually way easier than I thought. For those that need assurance for that, here are my steps. 1. Choose one of the wax and place it in the heater. Take off the white cap and remove the sticker. Removing the sticker is the messy part, but it will still be good once you go it off too. Plug in heater. It will take a while before you can use it. I never timed it, so the way I know it's good is if I look at the wax and the bubble is flowing around, it's ready. If I were to estimate heating time, maybe 15 to 20 minutes. 3. Now it is time to roll the wax on. This part is common sense. If it can't roll down one way, try rolling it down the other way. I go through this too because I don't remember which side is the side to roll on since I do this once a month. 4. When rolling, put the wax 90 degrees against the area. Why? To make sure there is wax. If you don't, it will hurt because no wax is coming out. Experience. 5. Now put the strip, then remove. It's that easy. If you're scared of mess, the roller will get messy during the process, but it will clean itself the more you use it. Number 3. Roll-on Wax Kit. This kit has everything you need for a smooth, salon-quality waxing experience at home. It's quick, easy, and perfect for beginners. With its convenient roll-on design, applying the wax is a breeze. No more messy brushes or spatulas needed. It's compact and lightweight, so you can easily take it with you wherever you go. Enjoy smooth skin anytime, anywhere. Get up to 6 weeks of smooth, hair-free skin. It removes hair from the root, slowing down regrowth. The gentle, natural wax blend is kind to your skin, leaving it feeling soft and soothed. It's suitable for all skin types. This kit is designed to give you professional results in the comfort of your own home. It's time to experience the difference. What we like. The large roller head makes waxing large areas like legs a breeze. It's suitable for all skin types, ensuring a comfortable experience for everyone. If you want salon-quality results and smooth skin for up to 6 weeks, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. I warmed up the wax for 30 minutes and it was ready to go. I rolled the wax on the paper so I can get the roller going on smoother. After I was done, I used the after waxing spray and cleaned my legs with a paper towel to get rid of the sticky feeling, and it works great. It is easy to use, it doesn't hurt. Now my hair is thinner and it lasts like a month to grow up again. I let it heat up and roll it on them cheeks and chin hair and use the straps to snatch it off. This just isn't for facial hair, it's also for body hair too, and Brazilian waxes. It even comes with an oil to use afterwards to keep you from breaking out. Number 2. Roll-on wax kit. Experience the ease of waxing at home. It's designed for a smooth, convenient hair removal experience, leaving your skin feeling silky smooth. Say goodbye to unwanted hair quickly and efficiently. It provides long-lasting results, so you can enjoy smooth skin for longer. Waxing has never been cleaner. The pre-filled roller and warmer make for a mess-free experience, eliminating drips and spills. Everything you need is right here. This kit contains the wax roller, cartridges, and strips for a professional waxing experience at home. Achieve salon-quality results in the comfort of your own home. It removes even the shortest hairs, leaving your skin flawless. What we like. This kit is designed for effortless waxing. The pre-filled roller and warmer make for a mess-free application, and the results last. If you value convenience and a clean waxing experience, this is the ideal choice. What people say. Rolling the wax against the hair and then putting the strip on works nearly 100% of the time for me versus putting the wax on the strip and then on my skin. Removed mostly all hair with first attempt, but had to do another one to get them all because of the direction of growth. For my first time using this product, and first time waxing myself, I let the wax heat up with the pink top on for about 1.5 hours. Once it was hot, I just popped off the top, rolled the wax on in the direction of hair growth and then put down the strip. It says not to let the strip sit for more than 6 seconds, so that was a real motivator for me. You pull the strip opposite of the hair growth at an angle that's basically as close to the skin as possible. I had smooth skin for my vacation and the whole week after. I did get at least 2 good weeks of no hair growth after using this product. Number 1. Liddy Dance Wax Refill. It's made with hypoallergenic resins and natural aloe. This soothing formula is safe for sensitive skin and provides a comfortable hair removal experience. With its automatic heating and roller design, it's simple to apply. No need for brushes or spatulas, and it leaves no residue behind. Whether you're at home with friends or in a professional setting, it's ideal for all types of skin and large areas like legs and arms. It removes hair from the root, providing results that last up to 4 weeks longer than shaving. The aloe also soothes and moisturizes the skin. Simply warm it for 20 to 30 minutes, apply a thin layer in the direction of hair growth, press on a waxing strip, and remove quickly against the hair growth. What we like. Made with natural aloe, this wax soothes and calms the skin during and after waxing. It provides long-lasting hair removal, leaving your skin feeling smooth. If you have sensitive skin and are looking for a gentle yet effective waxing solution, this is for you. What people say. These work really well. It's simple and effective. Also, it works well for my sensitive skin. Easy to use. Very safe to use. Very speedy. Just plug in less than 10 minutes. This rolled on like butter. Better than waxness honey. We'll be buying again. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.